Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sort your documents in Google Docs Mobile. So here you can see that these are my files or documents in Google Docs, and I want to resort or sort the documents by other requirements. So what you need to do to sort your files is just go to or click on this option last opened by me. So now my Google Docs mobile, my file in Google Docs is short by the last open. But when you click on this, there are four options that you can choose. You can sort it by name, by the last modified, and then last modified by me, and you can just choose which one that you want. For example, I want to sort the files by the last modified by me. So just click on that option and your documents will be reshuffling like this, and you are done resorting the documents in Google Docs. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope it was helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content, and also leave a comment if you have any question. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.